Mini terrariums are miniature gardens inside glass containers. These tiny ecosystems are self-sustaining and require minimal care, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. They are tiny worlds of green, bringing a touch of nature into your home. Each terrarium is a unique creation, reflecting the personality and creativity of its maker. Making them is fun and easy. With just a few simple steps, you can assemble your own little garden. Start by choosing a container, then add layers of soil, charcoal, and your favorite plants. You can create your own little oasis. Add decorative elements like stones, moss, or tiny figurines to personalize your terrarium. The possibilities are endless. It's a great way to bring nature indoors. Terrariums can thrive in various lighting conditions, making them versatile additions to any room. Terrariums are perfect for small spaces. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a large house, there's always room for a terrarium. They brighten up any room. The vibrant greens and unique designs can add a splash of color and life to your living space. And they make thoughtful gifts too. A handmade terrarium is a personal and meaningful present for any occasion. Let's get started and create our own mini terrarium. Gather your materials and let your creativity flow. Happy gardening! Before we begin, let's gather our supplies. You will need a clear glass container, with or without a lid, small pebbles or gravel, activated charcoal, potting soil suitable for your plants, small plants, choose plants that thrive in humidity, decorative elements, small stones, moss, figurines, a spray bottle filled with water, and a small spoon or scoop. Now the fun part. Let's build our terrarium. Creating a miniature landscape inside a glass container is not only a fun and creative activity, but also a great way to bring a bit of nature indoors. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this step-by-step guide will help you craft a beautiful terrarium that you can be proud of. First, clean your glass container with soap and water. This step is crucial to ensure that no unwanted bacteria or residues are left inside, which could harm your plants. Take your time to thoroughly wash every corner and edge of the container. Make sure it's completely dry. Any remaining moisture can lead to mold growth, which is something we definitely want to avoid. Use a clean, dry cloth to wipe it down, ensuring there are no water spots left. Next, add a layer of pebbles or gravel for drainage. This layer is essential as it helps to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom of the container, which can cause root rot. Aim for a layer that's about an inch thick. This prevents the roots from sitting in water. Proper drainage is key to maintaining a healthy terrarium environment. The pebbles create a space for excess water to go, keeping the roots dry and happy. Then, sprinkle a thin layer of activated charcoal. This step is often overlooked, but it's very important. The activated charcoal helps to filter the air and water within the terrarium, keeping it fresh and odor-free. A thin, even layer will do the trick. This keeps the terrarium fresh and odor-free. Activated charcoal is a natural purifier, and it will help to keep your miniature landscape healthy and pleasant to look at. After that, add a layer of potting soil. The soil is where your plants will take root and grow, so make sure to use a high-quality potting mix. Fill the container with enough soil to support the plant's roots, usually about 2 to 3 inches deep. Make sure it's deep enough for your plant's roots. The depth of the soil layer is crucial for the stability and health of your plants. Adjust the soil as needed to create a level surface for planting. Gently remove your plants from their pots and loosen the roots a bit. This helps the plants to adapt to their new environment more easily. Be careful not to damage the roots while doing this. Place the plants in the soil, leaving some space between them. This spacing allows each plant to have enough room to grow and thrive. Arrange them in a way that looks natural and pleasing to you. Gently press the soil around the plants. This helps to secure them in place and ensures good contact between the roots and the soil. Finally, decorate. This is where you can get really creative. Add stones, moss, or any other elements you like. Personalize your terrarium with decorative items that reflect your style. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a lush, vibrant scene, the choice is yours. Enjoy your beautiful new miniature landscape. Section 4. Caring for your terrarium. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your terrarium remains a thriving miniature ecosystem. Terrariums are generally low maintenance, but they do require some attention to keep them thriving. Here's how to care for your terrarium and ensure it stays healthy and vibrant. Water your terrarium lightly when the soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to mold and root rot, so it's important to be cautious. Use a spray bottle for better control. Terrariums don't need a lot of water, so be careful not to overdo it. A little goes a long way. Always check the soil moisture before adding more water. Place your terrarium in a bright spot, but out of direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the temperature inside the terrarium to rise too high, which can harm the plants. Regularly remove any dead leaves or wilting plants to keep everything looking fresh and to prevent decay from affecting healthy plants. Pruning helps maintain the overall appearance and health of your terrarium. If your terrarium has a lid, open it occasionally for air circulation. Proper ventilation helps prevent mold growth and ensures your plants get the fresh air they need. Section 5. Share the joy. Congratulations! You've created your own mini terrarium. Enjoy your little piece of nature. Share the joy by gifting your creations to friends and family. They make wonderful personalized presents.